In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use labels in Google Keep. Labels in Google Keep work like tags you attach to your notes. Instead of relying on folders, you describe what a note is about with words like work, shopping, or ideas, and then use those labels to group and find related notes quickly. You can even apply more than one label to the same note, which is great when something belongs to multiple categories, like a work task that's also urgent. Let's start on the web. Open your browser and go to keep.google.com. Choose a note by opening it, or select it from your list. Look for the three dots, also called the More menu. Click that, then choose Add Label if you're labeling it for the first time, or Change Labels if you're updating them. You'll see a list of existing labels you can check to apply. If the label you want doesn't exist yet, type the name you want and select Create. As soon as you do, the label is attached to the note. You'll see it appear at the bottom of the note, which makes it easy to confirm what categories are applied. If you ever need to adjust things, reopen that same label menu and uncheck a label to remove it, or check additional ones to broaden where the note appears. To view notes by label, open the side menu, often shown as a hamburger icon with 3 lines. You'll see your labels listed there. Click or tap a label to instantly filter your view so only notes with that label are shown. This is one of the fastest ways to jump into a specific project or topic without scrolling. A few tips will help you get more out of labels. Keep label names short and clear so they're quick to scan. Combine labels for extra precision, like pairing work with urgent to spotlight time-sensitive tasks. Remember that removing a label doesn't delete a note. It simply stops grouping it under that category. And because Keep doesn't use traditional folders, labels act as flexible categories that can overlap, which often makes them more powerful than a single folder system. Using labels consistently pays off. You can group notes by topic or project, find what you need faster from the sidebar, or by searching for a label name, and keep your organization consistent across your computer and phone. In short, add labels from the More menu on your notes, view them from the sidebar, and use multiple labels when it helps. With that, your Google Keep will stay tidy, searchable, and ready for whatever you're working on.